how to change profile name in Facebook. Now let's say you want to change the name that you have on your profile in Facebook. All you have to do in order for you to change that or modify that is to tap on your main menu right here and scroll down to the very end until you see Settings and Privacy. You just have to tap on that and click on Settings right here. Once you're here, all you have to do is to tap on Account Center and click on the profiles on the upper part most of Account Center right here. The next thing to do is to tap on your Facebook account right here and click on your name right here. Now, you can modify your first name or add a middle name to your name. You can also modify your last name. However, if you change your name now, you can change it again for 60 days, or you have to wait 2 months in order for you to change your profile name again on Facebook. So that's how to change profile name in Facebook. Hope we help.